Hello, this is LOL, Little Old Lesbian, with guidelines for living your best neurotic life. Today's episode is about embracing your hiccups. Whatever you don't like about yourself, embrace it and send it some love. Tell your nose it's marvelous. You like it like that. Hug your OCD like it's your long-lost brother. Give me some sugar. Mwah. Come here, suicidal depression. I want to kiss your face. If you can accept your irregularities behind some oversized Ray-Bans, then they can't hurt you. If I can do it, so can you. This has been LOL, Little Old Lesbian, with guidelines for living your best neurotic life. Try not to fuck it up.